The reason I made $12,000 last month is solely because I understand how to trade trend continuation. And in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to do the same. The very first thing we need to do is establish the current trend of the market. If we're seeing higher highs and higher lows, then it's a bullish trend. And if we're seeing lower highs and lower lows, then we're looking at a bearish trend. By far, the easiest way to identify a trend is to use an 8-length exponential moving average, or an 8 EMA for short. Now, using this 8 EMA, we can see that lower highs and lower lows are being formed under this 8 EMA, which signals that strong bearish trend. And using this, we're going to only get into a bearish trend and no bullish entries. Now, let's actually get into a trade using this example. We have lower highs and lower lows being formed under this 8 EMA, which signals a strong bearish trend. And since we know the trend and we see prices located right here, we're going to use this last simple step, but if you get it wrong, it's going to make or break your trade. Now, we need price to do two things. The first thing is either a wick over the 8 EMA or just simply touch the 8 EMA equilibrium zone. And then the second thing is to close under the 8 EMA. With these two things true, we can finally get into a trade because we know that the bearish trend is still active. And 2 candles later, we can finally see that nice rejection candle play out right here. Price started to test this 8 EMA equilibrium zone, came back down to close under, with signals that we can finally get into a trade. And since we have a signal that we can get into a trade, all we're going to do is just target a nice 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. And we're just going to let the trade play out. And as we can see, price continued to the downside and they continued to respect that 8 EMA. And we ended up taking profits. I made a free PDF showing you exactly which high probability setups I take whenever I trade. If you want a copy, just click the link in my bio and you can claim it there.